Ikan man sa kumbalay, sira mo na man.
Magluto ka ba? Puro ka may lamin.
Ha? Kain ka.
Bakit ginamos mo eh?
Nakoy ginamos na naman gusto ko ginamos. No, sana naman kang nagnaid ng sudan niya, magginamos ka.
Aman imong kuan kanang ana-ana.
Oo, ganahan ka ginamos ra. Sila magka-hangout to. Ann Cortez. Si Ann Cortez.
Unsa lang na yung buhok ay.
Pero ang nindot niya no, kaya ngayon siya bisag kung saan no. Siya bisag yung naong. Siya bisag yung naong ba?
Kamay mo siya naong.
Nindot kayo, ngayon kayo ba? Ay, mga ide. Okay naman kayo kag naong diha. Dahil ganun na. Ikon, pahigda siya.
Si Kenta lang nanalo sa elimination round natin.
Naloy.
Say hi to Tita Ann.
Naloy, say no.
Good luck, sweetheart.
Oo. O, mag-hi ka naman kay Tita Ann mo.
Hello po.
Hello po. Cutie-cutie.
Hey.
Oh, it's Josephine. Josephine, is that okay?
Yeah,
You
that's
want
okay.
her kiss?
All right.
One, two, three, go.
Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Many more birthday. You wanna do it, God?
Ay, botang gisapot nga ni mo ta.
No.
No?
I think there's something in there. Go take a closer look.
Na rin ang batang na. Nabi, nagwapa man na.
Why?
Because he's gonna push my face.
No.
Happy birthday
To you. Agay.
Natalie's turn? Yeah. Do you want your turn also?
You wanna blow too?
Okay. Happy
Birthday to you. Okay.
You want happy birthday to you?
You wanna blow candle?
Happy birthday,
Aliana.
Blow.
Blue, 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 blue. Blue, blue, blue.
Nahadlok man.
Afraid of it.